The attorney for former Education Minister Ruel Reid and President of the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, Professor Fritz Pinnock, have filed an application before the appeal court seeking leave to appeal Monday's Supreme Court ruling against them. The application was filed today. Attorney Hugh Wildman told our news center that he has also filed an application for a stay of the criminal trial against the men pending their appeal. 18 grounds of appeal were filed today. The Supreme Court on Monday refused their application for a leave of judicial review of the criminal charges against them. The court also refused an application by Mr. Wildman for leave to appeal its decision. The application for leave of judicial review was heard last month by a 3-member panel of judges. Mr. Reid and Professor Pinnock want to challenge the decision of the Financial Investigation Division, FID, and CTOC to charge them in the Ministry of Education CMU affair. They contend that the FID was not empowered by law to bring the fraud charges against them.